Good day everyone, this is the video about our fourth tool. This tool is very simple. In this case, the finite state machine of the LR0 states are given, and the only thing is just to put the rules into the LR, or in this case SLR parsing table. The behavior is pretty simple. The finite state machine is here, and basically we can just edit any cell of this table. So for example, from state 4 to state 6 we go with C, so on state 4 with C we go to state 6, so here we insert shift 6 operation. Similarly, we have, for example, in state 6 we have a reduce 1 here, which should be put into the follow set of S. The follow set of S we have to calculate, or the student has to calculate in this case, and we can put it, in this case it's just the terminating symbol, so we can put reduce 1 here like this. There could be two versions of this tool, one of them for LR0 table and another one for SLR table. So if we go back, for example, to the first state, there is a shift operation with B to state 3. There are several go-tos, and also there is, because there is the B to empty rule, there is a reduce action immediately in state 0. The follow set of B is actually star and plus, so we would put R5 here, R5 there as well. While we are doing this, there are some ways to validate whether what we did was good or not. We already get back some feedback, like an entry is missing in line 0. So for example, here we have F3 missing and we have these 3 go-tos, but for now let's just keep some wrong values here. So if we validate them, then we get an error message that we have an error at column S. This should actually be 9, and this should actually be 1. So if we look at this, then we get another error message that line 1 is empty. So we have to fill in line 1 S4 and S5 here. So if we say now validate, and we have an error that line 2 is empty, and basically we can do this for the whole table. Meanwhile, we can see that the automaton starts moving. Basically, when we validate, it tries to parse the input as long as it can based on the action table that we created. So if we continue, we will have R4 and R4 here, R6, reduce 6 here, we will have reduce 5 and reduce 5 here. In state 4 we also have a B, shift B, which goes to state 3, and we have a go-to here to 7. Here on state 5 we will have again reduce 5 and reduce 5, and again shift 3, but with B from here we go to state 8. We already finished with state 6, that's rather simple. For 7 we have reduce operations with rule 2, the same follow set as usual. For 8 the same is with rule 3, and basically that's it. If we validate, then we can see that it's done.